Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a link to an image in Showit. All right. So basically, we'll need an image to act like a button that has a link in it, and it will transfer you to the desired link. Okay. And here, let's just go ahead and test it out in this blank page. All right. And then go ahead and go to the bottom and just hover your mouse onto add element. And then let's just go ahead and choose image like so. Make it as big as you want, as small, or however you like it, okay? Like that. Click on it, make sure that it is highlighted, and the image right here, click on it, choose image, okay? Maybe I'm going to use this picture. Click on it. Now, you could always resize it if you want to right here. Make it prettier. Effects, if you want to hover, maybe hover right here, custom. Opacity, maybe I'll change it to 80. Okay. Now, click on the image and make sure that you click actions at the right panel. Link, type, URL. Okay. And here maybe you're trying to sell this one. All you need to do is just get the products link and then paste it in here. Okay. For example, this is your product page. All you need to do is just go to the top, right click and copy, close it, paste the URL in there. All right. And if you want to, you could always check open in a new window and then hit on save or publish if you want to. But I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to click on preview and then I'm going to go ahead and click on this image. Yeah. Click, as you can see, there's a new tab, and please subscribe to the channel. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.